And a mouthful of chocolate. You want to open?
Best day ever.
Do you love it? Do you want to open some presents? What are those in the shopping cart? What is that? Those are for you. Those are for Nave.
Open today.
Yeah.
Right.
Here, come over here, baby. What am I doing here?
Oh, ready?
Ready.
Oh.
Oh. Yay! What is it?
Elmo.
Is it Elmo book?
Elmo.
Oh.
Lots of flaps in that book that you like to open? Yeah. Nice. Do you like it? Happy birthday. Oh. Cookie. You want to open another present? Yeah? And we'll look at the book later? Yeah. What else is that? What do you think that is, Neve? That's right.
Alright.
That one's gonna have a lot of tape and stuff on it. It's hard to wrap.
What is it?
Elmo.
What is it?
Well, that must have been what she asked for.
Alright.
Yay!
Show Mommy.
What'd you get?
Mommy.
Is that Elmo?
Elmo.
Elmo Lego? Here, let's open another present. Yeah, right there. Right there. That one, right there. What's that?
Open.
Yeah, let's open it. Look, move her stocking. Do you mean a dual camera? Or are you thinking? Okay. Just give her a little tear so she can start it. There you go. Let me take some pictures. Tear it off of there. Yeah. Oh. Pull it.
There you go.
Yay! And some food for your kitchen. Yay! You want to open it? Can we unwrap some more presents and then open it?
You want to open some more presents?
Yeah. Should we turn on a light over here? Alright.
Okay.
Here you go. You like your shopping cart? You gonna put your groceries in your shopping cart? Yep.
That's where it goes.
Man.
Alright.
Thank you.
And some toys, because Mommy always puts some toys in her shopping cart too.
Alright.
You're ready to go.
Awesome.
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 Can we let's open another present, Nave. Let's open another present. What's in that one?
Oh.
Look. What's that? Nave, what's that?
Here, we can open this one.
Oh, thank
You want to
you.
open this one?
Oh, thank you.
Santa. Here. Take a peek. Just lift it up.
Jimmy.
Jimmy, some clothes.
Oh, pretty.
A monkey.
Monkeys.
Show mommy.
Here's show mommy.
Sure, look at show mommy your shirts.
Oh, nice. What does that one say? Oh,
Monkey.
it says monkey. Okay. It says Daddy's little monkey on it. And that's really correct.
Good job.
Yay!
You did it.
I think she likes her shopping cart. What do you think, Danny?
I think she really likes it.
Santa sure knows how to pick a present.
Making her getaway.
Whoa, Nate, push it this way. Turn it around. Push it this way. So Daddy can take your picture with your shopping cart. Can you get it? Yeah. Daddy, take your picture with your shopping cart. That seems like an awful slow shutter speed.
Good night, cheese.
Oh.
That's for the camera.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, let's open some more presents.
Present.
More presents.
More presents. Here, right there.
Okay, right there. That one. That's for you too.
Start back here. Yeah, let's start.
Here, can you turn it around so I can... What is it?
Wow.
Oh, it's a farm puzzle.
Puzzle.
Yeah, what's on there?
Puzzle.
What do you see?
Puzzle.
What animals are on there?
Puzzle.
You see a cow? Huh?
Right there.
Yeah, a cow. Moo. You see a pig? Oink, oink. Yeah, what about a horsey? You see a horsey? No. That's a goat. There's a horse. You don't recognize the horsey? Nay. That's a cow. Moo. Very nice. Hey, I wonder what's in this one. I wonder what's in that one. What's in there? More clothes. Beautiful. You like clothes, yeah. Uh-huh.